Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going through my project pans, so my updates from August because it's now September. So I have some goodies in here, some updates, and then I have my laptop over here to kind of give you some numbers and stuff like that. Sorry if I look disheveled. It has been a crazy morning and I have to go to work and it's chaos in my house right now. We have Millie, my dog, and then my family dog, Elvis, which you've seen on my channel before. And right now they're relaxing, which is why I'm able to film, but it has been insane. So, let's get started. Sorry if my camera shifted a bit. I had to put in a new battery pack. So, let's get started with the Urban Decay Vice palette that I have. So, you can see I'm making good progress. We have hit pan on 4 different shades. We have a big dip right here and a big dip right here. So I'm thinking that this shade is gonna go soon. This one is the newest one to have hit pan. This is a little bit and this is a little bit. So I still got a good ways to go with this. It says I haven't used up another gram of product. We are still at 11 grams, but you can see some progress like I showed before with me hitting pan on some different shades. Another thing that I added in last time but I haven't measured is this Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer by Milani. It is like so thin right now. There's barely any left. All of it's like right up here. If I hold this up, I can see some light shining through. So this has, I want to say maybe like a couple weeks left, so maybe next time we will see it gone. Speaking of concealers, we have this collection concealer. Right now we're at 0.2 ounces. Last month we were at 0.3. It's starting to look a little empty in here. There's still some bits laying around, but I think maybe within a couple of weeks this will be gone as well, which is great. Hourglass, guys, this is almost done. If you can see how large the pan is showing right now, I just have the outsides going on. So I'm thinking maybe a month left for this. We are at 2 grams. Last month we were at 5 grams, so we've really been using it up a lot. Next we have the Urban Decay bronzer I've been working on. It still says I'm at 9 grams. That hasn't moved at all, but I can definitely see the rings. Let's see if you will be able to see the rings from the pan showing through. I'm not sure, but I can really see the outline and I see a big dip, so I don't know, maybe my calculations are off, but we have been making progress there. Blush, blush, blush. So another thing where it says I haven't really moved at all, like at all, even though I've used up a good portion and we did hit pan. This is Classic by Tarte. So we are making good progress on this. Still says it's at 1.5 grams. That can't be true. Another thing that I hit pan on, guys, I'm finally hitting pan on stuff and it just feels so good. This is the Urban Decay highlighter in Sin, and we are at 3 grams, which we were at the same last month, but we have been making progress on this. I'd say it probably has a couple of months left. I have 2 lip products. Let's go down to these. So first is the Essence lip liner in Satin Mauve. We are about 1/4 the way done. I love this color so much. I've just had it in my collection for so long. And then we have the Sexy Mother Pucker by Soap & Glory, and this is 5th Avenue. I haven't made like a significant jump since last month to this month, but I just want to show you where it's at relative to the indentation in it, where it says SG. We are about halfway done almost.
Sorry if you can hear dogs in the background. Hi, baby. Yes. Mommy working.
Okay, so, oh shoot, another product is the Bon Bon perfume by Viktor and Rolf. It's in my purse downstairs. We are almost done. I want to say it has like 1/4 of the product left. So that's really great. I didn't finish any perfumes this month, so we are still at 91. Let's see. Sheet masks, I'm at 33. I was at 36 last month. We had a death in the family this month. My puppy chewed up one of my Bite Beauty Agave lip masks. So I didn't really use it up. It was about halfway gone. So now we're at 8 lip balms, and last month we had 9. So there's that. For hand lotion, I am at 4 now. We were at 5 last time. We're at 4 now because I got rid of one. I did not like the scent. I'm just going to pass it on to somebody else. For hand soap, we were at 12. Last time we were at 13. For body lotion, we were at 4 last time. We're at 3 now. I'm just getting rid of ones that I'm trying and I'm not liking, so that's why that went down.
Oh my god, things are getting crazy in here. Millie! Oh my god. Stop. Okay, just sit with me really quick. No? Okay, just be quiet really quick. Lord, help me.
Okay, candles, we were at 20 last time. Now we are at 18, which is great. Room sprays, we were at 11. Now we're at 10. And scent bulbs, we were at 45. And now we're at 35. So with that, I went back into my spreadsheet. I took away, since I had so many scent bulbs, I'm never going to get through them all. I took away 9. We were originally at 49, so I just subtracted 9 from all of the numbers I had there. So now we're at 35, which is a tad bit manageable, but you know, I'm a hoarder of these things, so at least we're using them up. Alright guys, that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later guys. Bye.